how do you safely document damage on your customer's car without creating more work for yourself? We have created a product called the MarkSafe Aero. And the MarkSafe Aero comes in a roll of 150. They are quick release vinyl that actually peel off very easily, allows you to write anything you want to document. They come in 3 different colors. They come green, yellow, and red, so you can use it to document different processes. We're not necessarily telling you not to write on the car completely, because I know some of you are going to want to continue to do that, but we are telling you there are places you should not write on the car, and it's on plastic and on glass and textured surfaces. Then you also have to be concerned. I can't tell you how many times we've had people say, well, I wrote with a grease pencil on a car marking something else, and it tattooed that grease pencil mark into a scratch that was on the car that you didn't even see, and now you're repairing that in addition to the initial repair. So the MarkSafe Aeros are quick release vinyl. They come on and off. One of the keys to actually putting them on the car, we give a little tip to bend the corner back so it makes it really easy to remove. Good news is you can reuse them up to a certain point, but it leaves no residue, so there's no cleanup. So this basically streamlines being able to clean up a car when you're trying to document damage, take photographs, all those different things. Thank you.